Welcome to the best picks. The best Aquos Remote is probably one of the most essential accessories for your TV viewing experience. But what happens when your trusty remote goes missing, breaks, or simply stops working? In this video, we'll dive into the world of replacement remotes, exploring the best options available to get your Sharp Aquos TV back under your control. We'll cover everything from universal remotes to direct replacements, ensuring you can find the perfect match for your needs. Number 5. Replacement Sharp Aquos Remote Control GB118WJSA. Introducing the new replacement remote control. It's designed to work seamlessly with your Sharp Aquos TV, bringing back the convenience you deserve. Forget complicated programming. This remote is ready to go right out of the box. Just install batteries, and you're all set to enjoy your favorite shows. This remote control is compatible with a wide range of Sharp Aquos TV models. It's designed to work with many different models, ensuring you can find the perfect fit. It is a perfect replacement for your original remote. It offers all the functions you need to control your TV, making it easy to navigate and enjoy your viewing experience. Get back to enjoying your TV without the hassle. This replacement remote offers a simple, reliable solution, so you can relax and enjoy your entertainment. What we like. This remote is incredibly easy to use, just add batteries and you're good to go. It's compatible with a wide range of Sharp Aquos TV models, making it a versatile choice. If you're looking for a simple, plug-and-play solution, this is the perfect remote for you. What people say. The remote works perfectly with my Sharp Aquos TV. It was easy to set up and use. The buttons are well placed and easy to press. Number 4. Sharp Hisense TV Remote Control. Tired of your old remote? This is a replacement remote, designed for Sharp and Hisense 4K smart TVs. It's the perfect solution for easy TV control. This remote is compatible with a wide range of Sharp and Hisense TV models. It works with many 4K smart TVs, check the list to see if it fits your TV. No programming is needed. Just install the batteries, and it's ready to go. It offers all the functions you need to control your TV. This remote is a perfect replacement for your original remote. It provides all the same functions. Enjoy your TV experience with this new remote. The package includes one remote control. Get yours today and start enjoying your TV with ease. It's the perfect accessory for your TV. What we like. This remote is designed specifically for Sharp 4K smart TVs, ensuring full functionality. It also works with Hisense TVs, expanding its usability. If you have a 4K smart TV and want a reliable remote, this is the one to choose. What people say. It works great and was ready to roll as soon as I put batteries in it. No programming required. I've not experienced either of those problems. Mine works perfectly. Would definitely recommend. When I got it, I didn't even have to program for the channels. It was already set. All I had to do was put in the batteries, turn on the TV, and choose my channels that I wanted to watch. No programming needed. I loved it. Worked great right out of the box. No programming needed. Number 3. LC RC1-14 Replacement Remote for Sharp TV. This is a replacement remote control, designed specifically for your Sharp TV. It's a perfect solution if your original remote is lost or damaged. No programming is required. Simply install new batteries, and it's ready to control your TV. It's that easy. This remote is compatible with a range of Sharp TV models, including LC32LB150U, LC42LB261U, and many more. Check the product description for a full list. The remote requires 2 AAA batteries, which are not included. Make sure you have those on hand when it arrives so you can start using it right away. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. We are here to help and ensure you are satisfied with your purchase. What we like. This remote offers a straightforward setup, just add batteries and start using it. If you value simplicity and ease of use, this remote is an excellent choice. What people say. Works perfectly with my Sharp Aquos TV. The remote is easy to set up and use. All the buttons work as expected. Number 2. EN3R39S Remote for Sharp 4K Smart TV. Introducing the EN3R39S Replacement Remote Control. It's designed specifically for your Sharp 4K Smart TV. This remote offers a convenient way to control your entertainment. This remote is compatible with a wide range of Sharp TV models, including the LC55Q620U and many more. You can easily find your model number on the back of your TV to confirm compatibility. No programming is required. Simply install new batteries, and the remote is ready to use. It's that simple to get back to enjoying your favorite shows. This is an infrared remote, so it needs a clear line of sight to your TV's sensor. Make sure nothing is blocking the path between the remote and the TV for optimal performance. Please note that this remote is not compatible with Sharp Roku TVs. Make sure this is the right remote for your specific Sharp Smart TV model. What we like. This remote is specifically designed for Sharp 4K TVs, ensuring all functions work seamlessly. It's incredibly easy to set up, just add batteries and it's ready to go. If you want a hassle-free remote experience, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. It worked perfectly right out of the package, just added batteries, with no code entering needed. Everything worked. It works right out of the box. Number 1. ECONTROLLY GJ221U Remote for Sharp 4K TV. This is a replacement remote control, specifically designed for your Sharp 4K TV. It's a direct replacement, ensuring compatibility and ease of use. This remote works with Sharp 4K TV models LC43UB30U, LC50UB30U, LC55UB30U, and LC65UB30U. It's designed to seamlessly integrate with your existing setup. Forget about complicated setups. You don't need to program or pair it. Just insert 2 new 1.5V AAA alkaline batteries, and it's ready to go. The package includes one IR remote controller. Please note that instructions and batteries are not included. This is a brand new replacement IR remote controller. It offers all the functionality you need to control your TV. What we like. This remote is a direct replacement, meaning it will work right out of the box. If you're looking for a simple, plug-and-play solution, this is the perfect remote for you. What people say. Put battery in and it worked. Turned on TV and controlled most functions. Good to be able to get an exact replacement for my original remote. Worked fine for my Sharp Smart TV. Built better than the flimsy remote that came with the TV. No setup pairing necessary, just put in the batteries and it's ready to go. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.